Hey, in this video, I will show you how to send messages to people in Deep.io, and I will also show you how to mute the chat in Deep.io. So, if I press enter on my keyboard, this thing will pop up and it'll say type a message and say. So, I will type a message and I will type a message just because I can. It's funny and ironic. And there you see, type a message. And if I move to one side of the screen, you'll see my message has popped up on the right side. And if I swim near it, then you'll see it's over here. I can send a few messages, but if I send too many messages, then I will get muted. See, as you can see, you've been muted for 5 seconds. And the mute will get longer and longer if I continue to send messages very quickly, so don't do this. But if I want to mute the chat, I just press M on my keyboard. As you can see in the top left, chat muted. Press M to unmute. And if I press M, then I'm unmuted. I can see the chat again. If I press M, it disappears, as you can see. If I press it a lot of times, it just keeps appearing and disappearing, which is kind of cool. And what if I say, you stink? I just send it off. There you go. Now he sees that I said, you stink. And now he's not very happy about it. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Hope this was helpful. Like and subscribe if it was.